morning, my dear students. Hope all of you are fit and fine, taking healthy food, also maintaining your immune system. So, topic for the day: standard deviation. Standard deviation for group data. Standard deviation for group data. And here today we will discuss about discrete series. Calculation of standard deviation in discrete series. We have three series: individual series. So yesterday I taught you about individual series, how to find out the value of standard deviation. Today we will discuss about discrete series and standard deviation by actual mean. What method? By actual mean method. By actual mean method. Okay, this is the first method which we will study today under discrete series. Okay. So now now formula is standard deviation. Okay, wait. I think now it is more visible. Okay. So standard deviation, sigma of standard deviation is equal to under root summation f into x square divided by n, or another formula is standard deviation is equal to under root summation f stands for frequencies, and square of the deviations divided by n. Square of the deviation divided by n. So here x square means square of the deviation. This is small x. This is small x. Visible or not? In case of any query, you may ask with it. I may write again. Small x square. Okay. So small x means deviation. So I will be explaining one by one. First is, this question is given size like 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. So size, or we can say data of x variable. F stand for frequency. This F stand for frequency. So frequency is 1, 2, 3, 5, 3, 2, 1. So these are the frequencies corresponding to the size. Next step. So this is what actual mean. Come back to the formula. Here you have to find out standard deviation by actual mean method. So for that, what you have to do? First of all, we have to find out the value of mean. Okay, we have to find out the value of mean. So mean is equal to sum fx divided by number of observation n. So here 170 divided by 17. 170 divided by 17 is equal to 10. Got it? So here we can find out the value of mean. X bar means mean, actual mean, and this is actual mean. Okay, why actual mean? Because first of all, what we did, we multiplied x into f, size with the frequencies. The sum of frequency into size divided by number of observations. So 170 divided by 17 is equal to 10. So 10 is your mean, actual mean. Okay, actual mean is 10. Now from this actual mean, we have to check the deviation of all the values like 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16. What we have to find out? We have to find out the deviation. So here 4 minus 10 minus 6, 6 minus 10 minus 4, 8 minus 10 minus 2. So 10 minus 10 0, 12 minus 10 2, 14 minus 10 4, and 16 minus 10 6. So keep in mind, there is a very important point which I am going to share with you. We always find the deviation from the size, okay, not from the frequencies. Or here we don't find the deviation from the frequencies. Deviation is always from the given values or series of the values or data from the given data weightage. So there is no any role in case of deviations. Okay, so don't consider the frequencies with it. Always concentrate on the given data. This is important weightage. And this small x itself is a deviation. Even you can write small d, deviation. Okay, that is the meaning of deviation. Or small x is equal to x values of x variable minus actual mean of the x variable. That is equal to small x or deviation. Okay, next step. Now here what we have, f into x square or square of the deviations. Okay, or else here you can see x minus x bar, x minus mean, whole bracket close, whole square. So what you have to do now, square all these numbers, all these values, means square of the deviation. In simple words, x square of x means square of the deviation, So minus 6, 36, square of minus 4, 16, square of 2, 4, 0, 0, 4, 2, 4, and 4, 4 the 16, 6, 6 the 36. So this way you have to find out square of the deviation. Next is f into, means what is there, f into x square. F is your frequency, x square is your deviation, square of the deviations. So we have to multiply these 2 points, f into x square. Any doubt with it? This is nothing but this and this is equal to this. Okay, f x square, f into x square or square of the deviations. So means multiplication of frequencies with their corresponding deviation value. Got it? Multiplication of frequencies, like 1 into 36, 2 into 16, 32, 3 into 4, 12, 5 into 0, 0, 3 into 4, 12. So 16 to the 36 and 36 1 the 36. Any query? Any doubt about this? F into x square? Any doubt with it? Any query from F x square? If you have any query, then let me know with it. All of you, my dear students, if you have any query, then please drop the message. Okay. If there is any query from this calculation, from this part of the calculation, you are most welcome. Otherwise, I am going to place all these values in the given formula. Okay. So yet there is no any response from your end. It means things are working smoothly. Now come back to the formula. Okay, come back to the formula. So here I wrote or also. So standard deviation in case of discrete series under actual mean method, standard deviation is equal to under root summation of frequencies into deviation square of the deviations. So come to this point with it. Okay, under root. Now here some fx square. So what is the value of f summation fx square? 160. So here we write 160 divided by n number of observations. So number of observations are 17. So divided by 17. So 160 divided by 17 is equal to 9.41 under root 9.41, and the value of under root 9.41 is 3.07. 3.07. So the value of standard deviation by this actual mean in discrete series is 3.07. This is 3.07. So this is your standard deviation with it. Okay. So let us recap. Standard deviation for group data. Which series? Discrete series. Yesterday I taught you what? Individual series. Now today we have discrete series, and in this case, what method we have to use? Actual mean method. Okay, so calculation of the standard deviation in case of discrete series by actual method. Okay, actual mean methods. So it means you have to find out the actual value of mean. You can't assume the value of mean. When it is actual, then actually you have to find out. And what is the formula to find out the actual value of mean? Sum x divided by number of observations. Okay, so here fx, summation of f into x divided by number of observations. So further fx, which is why we multiplied here f into x, f into x. So 170 divided by 70 is equal to 10. So now find out the difference or deviation from this 10 with respect to the other values of the series. So 4 minus 10, 6 minus 10, and 8 minus 10, 10 minus 10, 12 minus 10, 14 minus 10, 16 minus 10. So this way you will get the values of deviations. Next step is square of the deviations. X square means square of the deviations. And next step is multiplication of f into x square. This is equal to f into x square. So frequencies, respective frequencies you have to multiply. Okay. Then summation of fx square. Place the values, you will get the answer 3.06. Over. Okay. So now one question for the exercise. I am going to rub this. Okay. This is over now, bete. Now next questions means now class work, bete. Here size and frequencies. Size 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Frequencies 5, 6, 3, 4, 2. Okay, solve the given question with it. Size 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and frequencies 5, 6, 3, 4, 2. Now I am going to end this string. Okay. In case of any queries, first of do this in this way only. Apply this method to find out the value of standard deviations by actual mean method. Good day. Do please solve, and after completion the answers, please share the answer. Please share your answer with me through WhatsApp.